Welcome to Learn English Every Day. Let's test your knowledge of opposite words. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let's go. What is the opposite of generous? The answer is selfish. What is the opposite of brave? The answer is coward. What is the opposite of deep? The answer is shallow. What is the opposite of ancient? The answer is modern. What is the opposite of noisy? The answer is quiet. What is the opposite of accept? The answer is refuse. What is the opposite of smooth? The answer is rough. What is the opposite of foolish? The answer is clever. What is the opposite of allow? The answer is forbid. What is the opposite of bitter? The answer is sweet. Awesome job, friends! How many did you get right? Comment below. Subscribe for more English challenges.